welcome back. So just like to start this video by wishing everyone a happy new year and all the best for 2023. I'd like to start by saying thank you to all my subscribers, new and old, for all the help and support that we've had throughout the year, and I hope everyone has a great success for next year. Right, so I'm going to start this video with these carrots. They were sown in mid-September and they've been growing in here since then, and I'd say they're about done now, so I'm just going to go and cut all the tops off these. And pull a couple, see what they look like. Not bad carrots. If I remember rightly, these were the Autumn King, so I'm just going to keep them in the shed, out the way of any rodents or pests, and just pick them as and when we need them. And I'm actually going to be sowing some more carrots in same containers as these, but indoors, so we can get a bit of an earlier crop. But if they're all like that, then that'll be brilliant. It's 2 buckets of carrots there ready to go in the shed, and I'll just pick them as and when I need them. Now, in the start of the video, you might have noticed I've been and bought some fruit trees. So this one is Crimson Grape seedless, red grape, and it's in a 3 litre pot. Bought this from Primrose. I think it was about £18, but I'll keep it in this pot for now. Just any of these that are tight, trim them off. And I'll plant this in the spring outside in the front of the polytunnel somewhere, and train it in and get it to grow along the top of here. So really looking forward to getting that in the ground, getting that going. It'll take a few years, but be worth it in the end. And the reason I bought that was because of this. I was watching Danny at Grape allotment just before Christmas, and he had bought an apple tree, tickled pink, and as soon as I seen it I thought, yeah, that's the one that I want. So this is a bare rooted plant, it's been grafted, and I got this from Primrose. I think it was £26. So I'm just going to put this in this 15 litre pot for now, and then eventually plant it out, probably in the spring, or I might leave it in this pot for this year, but we'll get that planted up. Right, so this is a 15 litre pot, and just using some multi-purpose compost. There is a bit of fish blood and bone added into this, but not too much. So I don't want to plant it deeper than where it's been planted. I'll pop a link to Danny's channel and the video at the end of this video, so please head on over there and check it out. So there we go. I'm really looking forward to seeing how this one gets on, because I've been wanting to buy apple trees for a while but don't really know much about them, so when I seen this one, but yeah, so tickled pink. Hopefully in a couple of years time we'll have some fruit on it, but I'll keep you updated on that. Right guys, so that is it for this one today. Just like to say thank you very much for watching, and please, if you haven't already, consider subscribing and drop me a comment below. Do my best to get back to everyone, and head on over and check out Danny's channel. I'll leave a link to that in the description and a video at the end of this video. So thanks for watching, bye for now.